What's going on YouTube? This is BX718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Asus ROG Cetra True Wireless ANC gaming headphones. That's right. You guys may have seen me unbox the black version of these last year. This year I got this version to go with the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2023 model. Okay, and I just want to say I paid $99.99. And I purchased it from Amazon.com. So if you want these, you get these from Amazon.com. You can also purchase it from Asus.com directly also. But I got these from Amazon, right? What I like to say is that these are some great headphones. I love the black version. I bought those to go with my Asus Phone 5 that I still have. And I'm upgrading to the Phone 7 this year. So you'll stay tuned for an unboxing for that and a review for that coming soon. But in the interim, those headphones are awesome. They're lightweight. They give you a multitude of controls right on the actual headphones themselves. The charging case has been thrown, has been stepped on, and it has maintained its aesthetics perfectly to this day, right? It also has QI charging, so you can sit on the charging base and allow it to charge. And it's just an all around great product. I have no issues with it at all. Maybe longer battery life, but I mean the battery life on it is fine. It gets me through almost 6 to 8 hours every day, right? So almost a whole work day, right? So I cannot complain. These are some great headphones, and this is just the white version. Let's unbox. All right, so what we see here on the front is ROG Cetra True Wireless ANC gaming headphones. Okay, Bluetooth at the top. This is your Moonlight White version. Okay. All right, you got some information on the side. Here you have more information on the back on the product. Okay, so this says low latency wireless audio, hybrid active noise cancellation, 10mm Asus Essence drivers, up to 27 hours of battery life, wireless charging case, and IPX4 water resistance. All right, it's another excellent feature that this has as well. So it's showing you the two headphones in the case itself. Some other little miscellaneous information at the bottom. Right on this side, it's another branding. It's the Asus True Wireless ANC. Okay. All right, so it's in shrink wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and get the shrink wrap off. May not even need the knife. Okay. Oh, do need a knife because there's some seals. Let's cut that. All right. All right, there it is. All right, looks cool. I'll put it aside the black one. Here's the black one right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this plastic off. We're going to see what else is in the box. All right, there it is, unsheathed. Open it up. Nice little light show right there. It has the plastic tabs on it that you remove, so that way the headphones can make contact with the base and charge. But they ship it like this just so that the battery doesn't drain or whatever the case may be. So, and then you also have a light bar right here that gives you an indicator for things like charging, when the case is open, etc. On the back, you have your USB Type-C port for charging. And you have your Moonlight White on the top and an accented gray on the bottom. Let's see what else is in this box. All right, so we have some silicone earbuds that you can swap out, different sizes. Looks like there's 3 different sizes. There's 2 sets in here, and there's 1 set on the actual headphones themselves. There is a gray USB Type A to Type C charger cable with the ROG logo on it. Okay, and then we have some documentation. All right, here is your quick start guide. Here is your warranty card, and that's it. So nothing else, no frills. This is all you get. And to be honest with you, I mean, this is enough. Like I said, this is a fantastic device that I have no qualms with. If you're looking for true wireless headphones, and you don't care whether the brand is Asus or not, these are excellent. I mean, I've had JBLs, I had Samsungs, I had, I don't know, you name it. You know what I'm saying? And these, the quality of these is just as good as those for probably half the price, right? So I'm glad I got this. It's a nice little accented accessory to go with the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2023 edition. And that was the unboxing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace.